Hi, I'm Tom Wiers. One of the many benefits of partnering with Wiers is the way we approach preventive maintenance. We know that we can truly help customers lower downtime and overall operating costs by conducting timely and comprehensive preventive maintenance. Wiers customers receive EPM inspection reports that allow them to clearly see the condition of the unit and any deficiency. Our PM reports start with pictures of the front, back, and sides of the unit to document any body damage and the overall appearance. This is a great tool for managers who rarely have the opportunity to see all of their trucks. Next, we summarize recommended repairs using a red, yellow, green approach. Red is for the issues requiring immediate attention like DOT items, safety concerns, or the possibility of progressive damage. Yellow is for repairs that should be scheduled at the next possible opportunity. There's no sense in taking a unit out of service if we can schedule a more convenient time to address the problem. And finally, green are for items that can be addressed at the next PM or simply require additional monitoring. Inspection items are listed below with a simple green check for items that pass and a red X for items needing further attention. Our technicians document tire tread depth, air pressure, brake lining, brake stroke, and this information is provided in an easy to understand format. And lastly, because we believe in transparency and the role we play in helping customers make good decisions, details are provided on all red, yellow, and green items to include description and picture of the issues, plus a total estimated cost and breakdown of parts and labor. EPM reports are emailed to customers for timely review, and we follow up to address any needed repairs. And finally, a copy of this information is included in the unit file and stored on the Fleet Partner dashboard for easy retrieval and DOT record management. If you'd like to learn more about our approach to preventive maintenance, please visit us at wiers.com/contact us. We will be sure to schedule a time to learn more about your needs. Thank you.